Conclusion of Morgan's view over variation and the concept of linkage is, he said that tightly linked genes show less chance of recombination, whereas loosely linked genes show higher chance of recombination. And you already know that the recombination in the genes is not because of independent assortment, it is because of crossing over, according to whom? Thomas Hunt Morgan. To support this or to conclude this, to prove this one, Morgan performed a few experiments on which animal? You know, that is Drosophila melanogaster, commonly called fruit fly. You also know the reason for selecting that, right? I told you it is a very important 2-mark question. Now, let us begin with one by one the experiment. He mainly performed 2 experiments which are given in the NCERT. Let us begin first with experiment 1. Let me keep it very short and very simple for you. Please try to understand. What he did in the experiment is he selected the true breeding parents. True breeding parent here means the genetically pure parent, one which is transmitting the same character to successive generation upon self-pollination, alva. And one more thing, students, he said independent assortment is not universal, alva. E law, it is based on which experiment? Monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross? Dihybrid cross. Here he has to perform which one? Dihybrid cross only, to disprove that concept of independent assortment is not universal. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ next 10 or 15 minutes ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುವ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಏನಿವೆ, both the experiments are dihybrid cross, inheritance of 2 genes. Okay, now for that how many characters he need to select? 2. What are the 2 characters that he selected in his first experiment in Drosophila, a fruit fly alli? One body color, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು eye color. Which one? Body color, eye color. What he did is he selected mutant female, he crossed mutant female with wild male. What do you mean by mutant female? Name itself tells she has the character what she has. ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. and the wild type is the one, ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಮೇಲ್ ಏನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟೈಪ್. ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ which is having the character or its genes are the actual one, means the dominant genes are present here. Okay, they are widespread in the one. I repeat again, wild allele or wild gene is the one ಅಥವಾ wild type ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ having the dominant allele which is widespread in the population. Okay, whereas mutant allele or the mutant individual is the one which is having mutated or the modified allele is present, ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಒಂದು modified ಇನ್ನೊಂದು unmodified ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Modified allele will be present, hence it is recessive in nature, it is less present in the population. Now the 2 characters selected here are, one is body color, another one is the eye color. The mutant female had, let me write here, mutant female had brown body, okay, and red eye. Brown body, red eye. Whereas wild male having the dominant allele or the character or the trait is, I'm sorry, very sorry students, please make the correction here. Yellow body, the mutant one is, I'm very sorry, make the correction. Yellow body, white eye. The dominant one is brown body, what? red eye, no confusion. Okay, wild male having brown body, red eye. Mutant female is having yellow body, white eye. Okay, now here another thing, before continuing this cross, we have to notice one more thing, that Morgan observed that in that 2n is equals to 8. You know that I told you last time, right? In Drosophila, out of the 8, even if you take ours also, we have how many chromosomes? 46. Out of 46 chromosome, 44 chromosomes are called what? Autosomes. 44 are called autosomes, and the 2 are called what? Allosomes. Allosomes are also called sex chromosome. Here also the Drosophila melanogaster, even though it is a arthropoda, it is belonging to the class Insecta. ಫೈಲಮ್ ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಬೋತ್ ಅಟೋಸೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋಸೋಮ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 8, 6 chromosomes are autosomes, 2 chromosomes are what? Allosomes. Even though it is an insecta belonging to arthropoda, this has 2 sex chromosomes. One is X chromosome, another one is Y chromosome. ನಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ, ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ, ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್? ನೋ. Okay, that I will tell you in my next session. But it is one of the arthropoda or an insect which is known for having the 2 sex chromosomes X and Y. Okay, like human, the females of the Drosophila along with 6 autosomes, they have 2 X chromosome. Alva human female alli idda hage Drosophila female is also having X chromosome. Like human male, Drosophila male is having XY chromosome as their sex chromosome. Is that clear? Drosophila female having XX chromosome, Drosophila male having XY chromosome. Now, before continuing that, one more thing. What do you mean by, or what you will understand, the 6 autosomes are present here in them, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ 44 autosomes we have. What is the job of these 44 autosomes? 44 autosomeಗಳ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು? The genes present in autosomes, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, Drosophila or any other animal. Try to understand. The autosomes have gene. Those genes are responsible for somatic character of the individual. Which character? Somatic character. Like ನನ್ನ 44 chromosome ಏನು ಇದೆ, the genes which are present in them, they are responsible for my eye coloration, my hairstyle, my skin coloration, my trypsin, chymotrypsin, pepsin, renin enzyme, insulin, glucagon ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿಯ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್? ಆಕ್ಟಿನ್, ಮಯೋಸಿನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನನ್ನ ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಮೈ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಐ ಕಲರ್, hair color, skin color, enzyme production, albumin, globulin, clotting factor, enzyme, hormone, all these things producing genes are usually present on what? Autosomes. On the other hand, allosomes, you might be knowing that allosomes are also called ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನ? ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Why? Because these chromosomes determine whether the individual should be male or female. The male and the female sex, what we are speaking, it is depending on which chromosome? Sex chromosome ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. So students, what is the function of sex chromosome? Determining the sex of the individual. But Morgan observed that in Drosophila, not only in Drosophila, even today's scientists, even we know that in our case also, remember, but ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ Drosophila ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Morgan observed that in Drosophila, some of the somatic character maintaining genes are present on autosome. Along with autosome, some of the somatic character genes are present on the sex chromosome also. ಐ ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆರೆಬ್ರಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದರ ಜೀನ್ಗಳು ಅಟೋಸೋಮ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್, ಫ್ಯೂ ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೀನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದೇ ವರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ than Y. That means X and Y chromosome in Drosophila, along with deciding the sex of the progeny, they also had some alleles or the genes which are responsible for what? Somatic characters of the Drosophila. Among them, two such character genes present on the X chromosome are the body color gene and eye color. Students, body color, eye color are the somatic character, alva? Whether it is a sex character? No, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಆದರೆ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಜೀನ್ಗಳು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟೋಸೋಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋಸೋಮ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್. ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೌ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ the genes are present on X chromosome. Here I have selected the female, hence let me write the genotype. So what could be the genotype? First let me write the chromosome. She is having XX chromosome, he is having XY chromosome. Try to understand. The body color, eye color genes are present on X chromosome, hence I will represent XYW. XYW. What does this means? The yellow body white eye gene is present on X chromosome. What about here? Already you know it is present on X chromosome. I will represent it like this: XY plus W plus. Why this is plus? What this plus indicates? Plus indicates it is brown body red eye and it is dominant. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆದು ಬರಬೇಡಿ. ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ವೇರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಅಲಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ and the Y plus indicates brown body and W plus indicates red eye. You want me to write Y plus W plus again on the Y chromosome? You want me to write that on the Y chromosome also? No. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ದ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೈ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವೈ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಕಲರ್ ಐ ಕಲರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಜೀನ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೌ ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಜೀನೋಟೈಪ್. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ಯಾಮೆಟ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ the egg formed by the female are of two type. 50% gametes received XYW, remaining 50% also received what? XYW, right? That means all of them are what? Same type. I said different type, I'm sorry, they are all what? Same type. Let me show it like this. All the eggs have XYW, but the sperm formed by the male are of two different type. 50% sperms have XY plus W plus. Remaining 50% sperms have what? Y chromosome. Correct? No? No. Now it is the time for fertilization and formation of the progeny. Let me consider them as F1. If the egg having XYW is fertilized by sperm having XY plus W plus, then it will be XY plus W plus XYW, and here the baby or the progeny will be male or female? Female. Y plus W plus irodrinda, what is the body color? The body color becomes brown body, red eye. The female will be born with brown body, red eye. Suppose instead of this sperm, if the egg is fertilized by sperm having Y chromosome, avaga XYWY. What is the sex of the progeny? The baby will be male. What is the character of it? It is YW plus illa recessive. Hagagi yellow body, white eye will be formed. Yellow body, which one? White eye. Now just try to understand here. Brown body, red eye was a male parent character, right? No, male parent character, but obtained in the female progeny. Yellow body, white eye was the female parent character, but obtained in the male progeny. Why? Why it is like this? Simple answer, the genes are present on. The genes for body color, eye color are not present on autosome. They are associated with sex chromosome. Autosome alli iddidre ee samasye barta irlilla. Sex chromosome alli it is not a problem. Samasye alla. Ee ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು observation. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ನೌ F1 is obtained, then he crossed these F1 progeny. F1 progeny ಅನ್ನೇ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ and he thought of obtaining which generation? F2 generation. You need not to write everything. If you want, you can try later. And after getting F2, Morgan shared the data with us. Okay, as it is a dihybrid cross, please try to understand. As it is a dihybrid cross, what should be the phenotypic ratio in F2 generation? It should be, of course, how much? 9:3:3:1. But unfortunately, in F2 generation, 98.7% of the progeny what he got. Okay, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 98.7% of progeny were parental type. What do you mean by parental type? Male ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. Write down, here you can write down. Brown body, red eye ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು yellow body, white eye. They were all parental. The rest, how much percent? The 1.3% progeny. The remaining 1.3% of the progeny were not looking like parents. They were yellow body, red eye. How they were? Yellow body, red eye, and some were brown body, white eye. They were not exactly same as parental. That's why Morgan called them as what? Recombinant type. Okay, recombinant type. This is the result of F2 generation. Okay, I don't know what exactly happening. Let me present here the experiment number 2 also, and let us see what exactly is going to happen here. Okay, just by looking into experiment 1, you cannot draw the conclusion. Let us see experiment number 2. Experiment number 1 ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಐ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಯು ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ he took what? The parents. Who are the two parents? You know, one is what? Mutant female. Another one was wild male. Here what he did is he kept eye color once again as the same thing. He selected eye color, and instead of body color in the second experiment, he selected wing shape as a character. Previous case alli body color, eye color. Experiment number 2 alli eye color ಮತ್ತು wing shape. Already you know the eye color of the wild male. What is that? It is what? Red eye with Another one was wing shape. The wings were normal wing. And surprisingly, Morgan even come to know that along with eye color, body color, the wing shape gene is also present on which one? X chromosome only. What about here? What you want me to write? Yellow, sorry, please make the correction. Which one? White eye with what kind of wing? It is not abnormal wing. Don't write like that. It is miniature wing. Hagandre very small sized wing ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Shall I repeat? Red eye normal wing, white eye miniature wing ಅನ್ನು ಅವನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. You know that. Okay. Now let me write the genotype. So here I'm sure you know X, both the genes are present on X chromosome. What you want me to write? Here YW anta bardri. What about here? WM, X, WM. Yake anta kelidre avaru genetically pure homozygous condition. What about here? X, W plus M plus Y chromosome. Right now it is the time for formation of gametes. Once gametes are formed, the egg produced by the female, all eggs will have XWM, whereas the 50% sperms carry XW plus M plus, remaining 50% sperms carry which one? Y chromosome. Now let me write the formation of the progeny with generation. F1. If the egg having this one fertilized by sperm having XW plus M plus, then the genotype or the chromosomal condition of the progeny will be XW plus M plus. I am sure ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. XWM. What is the sex of the progeny? Female. Okay, what is the character of this female? It is W plus M plus ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು? Red eye with normal wing. Suppose instead of this sperm, if the egg is fertilized by sperm having Y chromosome, then it becomes X what? WMY. What is the sex of the progeny? It is male individual. What is the character of this baby? Plus illa, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ರಿಸೆಸಿವ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದು? White eye miniature wing. White eye miniature wing. Now what he did? He selfed. Here selfed means crossing the F1 individuals only. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in the F2 generation, right, you are expecting what ratio? 9:3:3:1. already ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So again I am expecting here either 9:3:3:1 I am expecting, otherwise at least I am expecting 98.7:1.3. but surprisingly Morgan got 62.8% of the progeny. Right, in the F2 generation, in this cross they were exactly looking like parental type. Andre white eye miniature wing, red eye normal wing. What type? Parental type. Exactly looking like parents ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ. Remaining how much? 37.2. right? No, the remaining 37.2% of the progeny which are there, they were not exactly looking like their parents. That means how they were? Some of them were how? White eye with normal wing, whereas some are red eye with miniature wing. They were not looking like parental type. Hence, can you guess what you want to call them as? They are called as what? Recombinant type. What they are called? Recombinant type. Now, I hope you understood both the experiments. Go through it once again. Now, what is the conclusion? What we can understand after looking into the results of both the experiment? Very simple. One thing already we know that whatever characters we have selected in this experiment, right? The genes are present on which chromosome? X chromosome. Now, when I compare with the second experiment, the rate of recombinants formed, focus only on the recombinants. The rate of recombinants when compared to second case, it is very less. Second case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 37.2% ಆದರೆ here it is just 1.3. Rate of recombinants are very less. When recombinants are very less, chance is very less when the genes are tightly linked. Shall I repeat? What is the conclusion here? Here the body color and eye color. Which one? Body color and eye color genes are present on the same chromosome, that is X chromosome, and the genes are present very closely or loosely. They are present very closely, hence crossing over chance is less. Rate of recombination is also very less. On the other hand, in the second experiment, both the genes are present on which one only? Again, X chromosome. Already you know I gene is present on here. Even the wing shape gene is also present on the X chromosome. But these two are linked closely or loosely. Loosely, chance of crossing over is more, hence show higher chance of recombination. I hope you got the point. By looking into recombinants, finally your friend Morgan proved that in the first case, rate of recombination is very less because tightly linked genes show less chance of recombination. Rate of recombination is higher here because loosely linked genes show more chance of recombination. Is that clear? So this is very important experiment. If you go to page number 84, I hope you can see here the same thing is given, visible, no? First half, second half. Look at the both. First half, first experiment, second half, the second one. Here they have shown this X and Y chromosome in the form of stick. Hope you can see it there. Okay, they have shown if it is a male and female, they are showing male like this. This is X, the one which is bent is Y chromosome. If it is female, they show like this. Okay, the same thing I have written here, okay, in the form of X and Y. Please compare it with this one and go through it. The experiment both together can be asked for 5 mark. And one more very important question, they may ask you even about when so and so is crossed, what is the percentage of recombinants formed? Answer is 1.3%, 1 mark question. Likewise, based on the parental type and recombinant type, what we are getting in both the experiment, based on which we can expect 1 mark question. Okay, so by this, please try to understand. Finally, Morgan proved the concept of linkage, disproved independent assortment because we are not getting 9:3:3:1 ratio. He disproved that. He supported, ide experiment mukhantara, he supported what? Chromosomal theory of inheritance proposed by Sutton and Boveri. Do you agree? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್, ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್, okay, they are transmitted to next generation, behavior of chromosome is parallel to the behavior of the gene ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now the last thing I want to discuss here is about a simple concept called linkage map. Okay, linkage map, which is again associated with that. Before going to linkage map, you can just have a note of it. Once you complete these two, next you can write down. Okay, once again after completing these two, write down next experiment 1. In that, write down, when yellow body and white eye female Drosophila, yellow body and white eye female Drosophila is crossed with brown body and red eye male, comma, in F1 generation all the individuals were parental type. All the individuals were parental type. ಇಲ್ಲಿ parental type ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. Brown body, red eye, yellow body, white eye. Yes, parental character. Next line. When F1 individuals are crossed, okay, that means F1 anne ನೀವು cross ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ F1 are selfed, comma, in F2 generation, parental type and recombinant types are produced in the ratio 98.7 and 98.7% and 1.3%. In bracket, 98.7 is to 1.3. Last line. Hence, the genes for body color and eye color are present on X chromosome and are closely linked. Underline, closely linked. Full stop. Continue the same line. Hence, less chance of crossing over, comma, thus recombinants formed are less. In bracket, 1.3%. Recombinants forms are less, 1.3%. Next line. Experiment number 2. I hope the first two line in this case you can easily write. Alva baribodalva. Refer the experiment number 1 and write the first two lines, experiment number 2, and the third line, let me read out, you can write that. Okay, here in this experiment number 2, the gene for eye color and wing shape are present on X chromosome and are loosely linked. Underline, loosely linked. Full stop. Continue. Hence, higher chance of crossing over, comma, thus the recombinants formed are more. In bracket, 37.2%. This is all about which one? The two experiments conclusion. Is that clear? Now, write down separately the next heading, linkage map. Write down in that, it was proposed by mark linkage map as a very important 2-mark question. In that, write down, it was proposed by Alfred Sturtevant. ಒಂದೇ ಹೆಸರಿದು, Alfred Sturtevant, proposed by, actually he is the student of T.H. Morgan. Alfred Sturtevant, based on his research, he proposed this concept. What exactly it is? Before going to that, suppose if I ask you guys to define a road map. ಒಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ರೋಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ the different locations alwa, different places, as well as the distance between the two places, Hebri to Udupi, Hebri to Shivamogga, right? Different places as well as distance between different places is also indicated. That is called road map. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರುವ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ which represents the location or the position of genes on a chromosome. Okay, location or the position of genes on a chromosome, as well as the relative distance between the genes. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಜೀನ್ ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ಎಡಿನೈನ್, ಗಿಯಾನೈನ್, ಸೈಟೋಸಿನ್, ಥೈಮೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವ, ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್. In that, write down the 2 mark question. 1 mark will go for the definition and 1 mark go for who proposed this. Answer, Alfred Sturtevant. Write down the definition. It is a graphical representation of linear arrangement of genes and relative distances of various genes. Relative distances of various genes present in a chromosome. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್, we know that, write down, greater the distance, comma, greater is the degree of crossing over. That I have already told you, distance between two genes as it increases, greater the distance, greater is the degree of crossing over. Next line, linkage maps were even exclusively used for human genome project. In molecular biology, in the next chapter, where you are going to discuss about a concept called human genome project. A human genome project alli the concept of linkage map was exclusively used in it. Is that clear? It is the 2 mark question, and students, please have a note of this one also. This helps you to understand the concept. Idanna kuda separate agi note ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ.